If your extensions in Chrome fail to load properly, don't worry. We have 3 simple solutions to help you fix this issue and get your extensions up and running again. Solution 1. End process in Chrome Task Manager. 1. To start, navigate to More Tools and select Task Manager. 2. In the Task Manager, locate the problematic extension and click End Process. This will disable the extension in your browser. Solution 2. Check for extension updates. 1. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and go to More Tools, Extensions. 2. Turn on the toggle for Developer Mode. 3. Look for the extension that isn't loading properly and click on Update to update it along with other extensions. Solution 3. Reset Chrome Settings. 1. Go to Chrome Settings page. 2. Click on Reset Settings. 3. At the bottom, tap Restore Settings to their original defaults. 4. Finally, click on Reset Settings to confirm. By following these simple steps, you can resolve the issue of Chrome failing to load extensions and get them working smoothly again. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and troubleshooting guides. Happy browsing!